Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on marketing management. This is part 14. Now come to the questions. Question number: in relationship marketing firms focus on dash relationships with dash a short-term customers and suppliers, B long-term customers and suppliers, C. Short-term customers, D. Long-term customers. Correct option is B. Long-term customers and suppliers. Question number 2. A further 3 P's are incorporated into the marketing mix. A. Physical evidence, process and price. B. Process, people and promotion. C. Physical evidence, people and production. D. Physical evidence, process and people. Correct option is D. Physical evidence, process and people. 3. A marketing philosophy summarized by the phrase a stronger focus on social and ethical concerns in marketing is characteristics of the dash period. A. Production, B. Sales, C. Marketing, D. Societal marketing. Correct option is D. Societal marketing. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is correct? So from among the statements given here, option D is correct. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. Question number 5. The term marketing refers to A. New product concepts and improvements, B. Advertising and promotion activities, C. A philosophy that stresses customer value and satisfaction, D. Planning sales campaigns. Correct option is C. A philosophy that stresses customer value and satisfaction. 6. Which of the following involves designing and manufacturing the container or wrapper for a product? A. Labeling, B. Packaging, C. Branding, D. Product line. Correct option is B. Packaging. 7. The basic role of promotion is dash A. Information, B. Manipulation, C. Communication, D. Interpretation. Correct option is C. Communication. 8. If the aim of the promotion to introduce a new customer product is to achieve high awareness levels, the firm will most likely make heavy use of dash in the promotion mix. A. Advertising, B. Sales promotion, C. Personal selling, D. Publicity. Correct option is A. Advertising. 9. A consumer context is an example of dash A. Personal selling, B. Sales promotion, C. Advertising, D. Indirect selling. Correct option is B. Sales promotion. 10. Advertising appropriations are largest for which type of product? A. Industrial products, B. Convenience goods, C. High priced products, D. Specialty goods. Correct option is B. Convenience goods. 11. A television advertisement showing the safety features of the Volvo 240 DL would be best classified as which of the following? A. Product advertising, B. Pioneer advertising, C. Defensive advertising, D. Societal marketing. Correct option is A. Product advertising. 12. Need becomes dash when they are directed towards a specific object. A. Actual need, B. Want, C. Satisfaction, D. Demand. Correct option is B. Want. 13. Which of the following best describes the consumer's preference for products that are widely available to them? A. Production concept, B. Marketing concept, C. Selling concept, D. Product concept. Correct option is A. Production concept. 14. Buying and selling of mass consumer goods and services comes under which of the following markets? A. Business markets, B. Global markets, C. Consumer markets, D. Government markets. Correct option is C. Consumer markets. 15. Which one of the following best describes the human need? A. Food, B. French fries, C. Burger, D. Pizza. Correct option is A. Food. 16. Which of the following firms emphasis on products benefits to the customers rather than on the attributes? A. Product oriented, B. Market oriented, C. Sales oriented. D. Production oriented. Correct option is B. Market oriented. 17. All of the following are the examples of unsought goods except A. Course books, B. Encyclopedia, C. Funeral plots, D. Insurance policy. Correct option is A. Course books. 18. While considering the place for a product, which of the following is important for customer? A. Communication, B. Convenience, C. Cost, D. Solution. Correct option is B. Convenience. 19. Market-oriented firms focus on A. Retailers, B. Distributors, C. Customers, D. Wholesalers. Correct option is C. Customers. 20. Price is the only element in the marketing mix that produces A. Fixed cost, B. Expense, C. Variable cost, D. Revenue. Correct option is D. Revenue. 21. Identify the products that the customer usually buys frequently and with a minimum of comparison and buying effort. A. Specialty, B. Convenience, C. Unsought, or D. Augmented. Correct option is C. B. Convenience. 22. Which of the following is not included in product decisions? A. Styling, B. Brand name, C. Warehousing, D. Packaging. Correct option is C. Warehousing. 23. Which of the following takes place at a retailer's end? A. Promotion, B. Placing, C. Pricing, D. Exchange. Correct option is D. Exchange. 24. Aggressive selling is a characteristic of which of the following concept of marketing? Select correct option. A. Production concept, B. Marketing concept, C. Selling concept, or D. Product concept. Correct option is C. Selling concept. 25. Which of the following is a name, term, sign, symbol, design, or a combination of these that identifies that maker or seller of a product or service? A. Label, B. Co-brand, C. Brand, D. Product. Correct option is C. Brand. 26. The consumer's estimate of the product's overall capacity to satisfy his or her needs is called A. Product cost, B. Product value, C. Product need, D. Product satisfaction. Correct option is B. Product value. 27. According to the text, a product is A. Everything the customer receives in an exchange, B. The physical object of the customer receives in an exchange, C. The service that is rendered to a customer, D. The idea that the customer receives in an exchange. Your correct option is A. Everything the customer receives in an exchange. 28. An example of convenience consumer product is A. Stereo equipment, B. Petrol, C. A motorcycle, D. A bicycle. Correct option is B. Petrol. 29. Which one of the following is not an industrial product? A. Oil to be refined into fuel for homes, B. Transistors used as components for portable radios, C. Paper, pens and glue used in bank branch offices, D. Computer software to help people complete personal tax forms. Correct option is D. Computer software to help people complete personal tax forms. 30. Sainath called several airlines to compare rates and choose a flight on British Midland as it had a better reputation for service and competitive prices. The airline ticket is an example of which type of the product? A. Convenience, B. Shopping, C. Specialty, D. Unsought. Correct option is B. Shopping. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, R Classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.